Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace active lifters in a Chevrolet Tahoe. First, gather all your essential tools, including a torque wrench, engine hoist, and a full set of sockets. Make sure you have new active lifters, fresh gaskets, and new engine oil on hand. Begin by disconnecting the negative battery terminal for safety, then drain the engine oil and coolant from your vehicle. This prepares your engine for the next steps. Now, let's move on to disassembling the engine. Start by carefully removing the intake manifold and both valve covers. It's crucial to keep track of all bolts and components. Next, mark and remove the rocker arms and push rods, ensuring they are kept in order for proper reinstallation. Finally, remove the lifter guides to gain full access to the active lifters in the valley. With the old lifters exposed, carefully extract them from their bores. Install the new active lifters, ensuring they seat correctly. Once the new lifters are in place, begin the reassembly process. Reinstall the push rods, rocker arms, and valve covers, making sure to follow the correct torque sequence and specifications provided by the manufacturer for each component. After reassembly, refill your engine with the correct type and amount of engine oil and coolant. Start the engine and carefully check for any leaks around the newly installed components. You may also need to perform an engine learn procedure to ensure optimal performance. Remember to stay hydrated during your projects. Check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. This completes your active lifter replacement.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.